In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy Microsoft Excel sheet to another workbook. Copying a sheet from one Excel workbook to another is a simple and effective way to duplicate your data, including all formulas, formatting, and content. This is particularly useful if you want to create a backup, work on a separate version, or consolidate information across multiple workbooks without manually recreating everything. To start, open your Microsoft Excel workbook and locate the sheet that you want to copy. Once you have the sheet open, click the File tab at the top left corner of the window. From the File menu, select New and then click Blank Workbook. A new Excel workbook will open with a fresh, empty worksheet, ready to receive the copied data. Next, return to the sheet you want to copy. In the top left corner of the sheet, you will see a small square located at the intersection of the row numbers and column letters. Clicking this square will highlight the entire sheet, selecting all cells, including any formulas, formatting, and content that you have in the sheet. With the entire sheet selected, copy the contents by either clicking the Copy button in the Home tab or simply pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard. This action saves all of the selected data to your clipboard, ready to be pasted into the new workbook. Switch over to the new workbook that you created. Again, click the top left corner of the sheet to highlight the entire worksheet. This ensures that your copied content will be pasted starting from the first cell and will overwrite any default formatting if necessary. Once the sheet is selected, paste the copied content by clicking the Paste button in the Home tab or by pressing Ctrl+V on your keyboard. After pasting, you will notice that all of your original content, including any formulas, formatting, and cell data, has been successfully transferred to the new workbook. You now have an exact copy of your original sheet in a separate Excel workbook, allowing you to continue working with the same data without affecting the original file. By following these steps, you can efficiently copy sheets between workbooks, ensuring that your data remains consistent and saving you time when working with multiple files. This method is reliable and works for any Excel version that supports the standard copy and paste functionality. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.